F-15I, also known as Ram, which means thunder in Hebrew, is a heavy-class fighter aircraft specially modified for Israel by Boeing. It is a specific variant of the F-15 Strike Eagle used by the Israeli Air Force. Here is an explanation and details about the Israeli F-15I fighter aircraft. 1. History. The F-15I Ram was introduced by the Israeli Air Force in the early 1990s. This aircraft was developed to replace the older F-4 Phantom I fighter jets. The F-15I is a multi-role fighter aircraft designed to operate in various types of missions, including air-to-air combat, ground attack, and long-range strike missions. 2. Design. The F-15I is based on the design of the F-15 Strike Eagle, featuring the following characteristics. The aircraft has 2 side-by-side seats for the pilot and weapons systems officer. The F-15I has robust air-to-air and air-to-ground combat capabilities. It features delta wings with 2 powerful turbofan engines, allowing for high speed and high maneuverability. 3. Capabilities. The F-15I is an extremely versatile and powerful aircraft. Some of its capabilities include the ability to carry various air-to-air and air-to-ground weapons, including precision-guided bombs and advanced air-to-air missiles. The aircraft is equipped with advanced radar systems and avionics for accurate search and targeting. Its operational range allows it to conduct long-range operations and enter enemy territory relatively safely. 4. Roles. The Israeli Air Force uses the F-15I in various roles, including airstrikes against enemy targets, including military installations and strategic infrastructure, air surveillance and protection of Israeli airspace, close air support for Israeli ground forces in military operations. 5. Armament. The F-15I is equipped with various air-to-air and air-to-ground weapons, including air-to-air missiles like the AIM-120 AMRAAM and air-to-surface missiles like the F-15I Ram is one of the sophisticated fighter aircraft that plays a crucial role in Israeli defense, and its ability to carry out various types of military missions, including air-to-ground strikes, air surveillance, and protection of Israeli airspace. Its presence strengthens Israel's military capabilities in maintaining security and stability in the Middle East region.